So now let's learn how to install an application from the Microsoft Store. In order to do that, first of all, you have to go to the Start menu right here, and you can click on Microsoft Store right here. Or if you don't find it here, what you can do is you can simply type in Microsoft, and I just typed in micro and Microsoft Store actually popped up. So let me just click on this. So over here, you'll be able to find native Microsoft applications right there. So they are in the form of the new Microsoft application software, so they are only compatible with Windows 8 and above. So now over here, what we want to do is we can browse around the categories on where you can download the app. Yeah, there are paid and free apps, and if you were to actually download paid apps, then you have to input your credit card information first. So let us just work around with the free app for this lesson right here. So you can choose out of any applications right over here, as you can see. So you can go over here on to Spotify Music, which says it is free. So you can click on this and you can actually install this out. So you can see the details that you can see over here. So you can just click on get and it'll install. But now in our case, let me just search for something else. So let's search for application as well. So I can actually search for draw and it'll show up different applications related to draw, as you can see right here. So you can browse up into the categories, or you can actually search it from the search bar right here. So from the search bar, you can see that there's draw right over here. There's draw free. So this is a free application, and let's download this out. So let me just click this, and once I click this, the detail about this application will pop up, and it's description, its screenshots, and you can see its features as well, and what it'll access and so forth. Once you're ready to actually get the app, simply click on get and it'll download the app. So it is downloading the app right here. So it'll take some time to actually process, and you can see that now it is downloading. So it is downloading, it has started download, and it'll be installed. And you can see all of your apps download list over here. So you can see that there's two number right here, which suggests that there are 2 downloads ongoing. So you can go over here that there are the drawing free is actually being downloaded, as you can see. So it's downloading the app. So I'm just going to fast forward till it downloads, and we'll see how to access the app. And it has completed downloading, and it has installed the app, as you can see. So once the app has been installed, you can simply get out of Microsoft Store. You can go to Start menu, and it might appear over here, but if you don't actually see anything appear over here, you might actually see it here. If you have turned off recently added, then you can actually scroll down. You know the app name, draw free. So it is actually here, and it has been marked as new, as you can see. So you can simply drag it over here on to the start menu area itself, where you can pin the app. And you can arrange it however you want. You can resize it, and maybe you want a small icon and so forth. You can do that. So if you were to click the app, it'll open up the app for you. So this is the new type of Microsoft Windows app over here, and you are able to draw anything over here just like this. So this is a fun app to play with right over there. So this is how you can download apps from Microsoft Store inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.